Hi, in this video let us see how to install Python on Windows machine, and the steps are similar for other machines as well. If you are working on Mac or Linux, steps are similar, but just for your convenience I'm creating docs how to install Python and PyCharm. I'm creating docs and I'll be uploading it in the Telegram channel. You can go through it and you can install it on your own. Otherwise you can Google out if anything is not working, you can Google out and fix the errors. Okay. So first we have to install Python in order to do this Python course. Okay. So what we are going to do is you can go to Google and you can type download Python. It will take you to this website, or the website is python.org/downloads. Okay. Python.org/downloads. Now if you see it, here it is showing you download the latest version for Windows. It is clearly showing you download the latest version for Windows. Okay. So why is it showing Windows is because my machine is Windows. It will automatically recognize which machine you are working on, and depending on it, it will show you the appropriate. For example, if you are working on the Linux machine, it will show you download the latest version for Linux. Okay. So based on your machine, you can download it. Now there is download Python 3.11.5. So I am using 3.11.5, which is the latest version for this course. Any version above 3.8, Python 3.8 will work. If you are using lower versions also, it is fine, but don't go below 3.8, because in this course we need some features which are from 3.8. Okay. So I'm clicking on download Python. Now we have downloaded it already. So double click on it. Just double click on it. It will start installing. Okay. So here there is a checkbox saying add python.exe to path variable. So what is path? You don't know it now, but in the course we will discuss about what is path variable and why you should add python.exe to path. We will discuss there. Okay, in the course. Go to the next. So click on it and just type next. Now it is showing you setup process. It will automatically install in some time. It will not take a lot of time. It is installing various packages. It will take just a couple of minutes. Bear with me. And after that, we will start installing PyCharm. Okay. It is showing you TCL/TK. It is an old language whose features are implemented in Python. In TK Intel, we'll see that. We'll see that in the course. And then there is pip installer. So what is pip? What is condo? Again, we'll see them in the course. Okay. Anyway, it is almost done. Yeah. Setup was successful. Now let's go to command prompt and see whether our Python is installed or not. So if you open the command prompt and there you type Python --version, it will show you the version. So it means that it is installed. Okay, it is. So even though we are checking the version, we are actually checking whether it is installed or not. It is installed. Python 3.11.5. Okay. Now let's go and install PyCharm. Okay. So again for PyCharm also, you can type download PyCharm in Google. It will show you JetBrains website. Okay. jetbrains.com/pycharm/downloads. So you can just type PyCharm download in Google and it will automatically take you to the downloads page. Now if you open this downloads page, be careful here. Initially it is going to show you PyCharm Professional. It is a professional version of PyCharm. Don't install it because it is not a free version. It is only free for 30 days. After 30 days they start charging you some money. So don't use this professional version. You can go and use the community version. So if you go down, there it is showing PyCharm Community Edition. So this edition you have to install. Okay. Now you can click on download. We have already downloaded it. Now just double click on it. It will start installing PyCharm. You have to just click next. Next. Here, if you want to have shortcut on the desktop, you can click on this. You can tick on this box saying that create desktop shortcut PyCharm edu. So you can click on it. Hi. Now let's open PyCharm by double clicking on the icon, or you can run it from the terminal as well. Whichever way you prefer, that is fine. So it is just loading. Now you can go to file and open a new project, or if you are opening it for the first time, it will automatically show you a new project. Okay, so it depends on. Okay, so we have already opened it. So we are opening directly project number 9, but it will show you as project number 1 when you start it. Okay, it is Python project number 9. So I have increased the size of the font. If you like to increase the size of the font, you can do it on your computer. Okay, so I'm just doing a small program, not even a program, but just a single line. So print hello world. Now let's run it. You will see a green button in the top where you can click on it and it will start running. And again, you can see that, right? I think you are able to see it, the green button. So when you click on it, you will be able to run it. So you can see in the terminal that it is showing hello world. So this is just how to install PyCharm and Python on your system. From the next class onwards, we'll take different programs and we'll explain you various features of Python. Okay, thank you.